Hi guys, Wheelie here, and I'm going to open my Crate Crochet subscription box with you. This is actually a few months old. I haven't been super well and I've fallen a little bit behind with my opening videos, and I've had a lot of restraint because I haven't just ripped this open and got at the yarny goodness inside. I waited to open it with you guys. And this box is also the last box under the old setup of Crate Crochet. Crate Crochet is now rolled over and is being sold through a website called The Yarnarium, and it costs significantly more than these old subscriptions used to. If you've watched all of my openings, you'll know that I got these as a gift, so I haven't actually known how much they cost. But because my subscription had a month left when it rolled over to the new setup, I got a credit on my account of about $38, $39, so that must be what one of these boxes costs. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have a box. That's good. I can't believe this is the first time I've opened it really easily. I've always felt like I'm failing an IQ test opening these boxes on camera, but ta-da! So the first thing I see is a little notification telling me that Crate Crochet has moved, which I did know. I was just telling you all about that. The tissue paper this month is blue, which is really pretty. Okie doke. Welcome to our final project for this box. Out with the old and in with the new. I have a winter warmer scarf, which is designed by Carmela Ann. It looks quite pretty. It's a nice beginner sort of scarf, and there's some pictures in there explaining some of the steps. There's actually a link to a video for making the tassels. So there we are. And the yarn, the good bit, Fiddlesticks Pepin 14, which is 100% Australian fine merino wool superwash, and it is really gorgeously soft. It's really, really nice. The other Fiddlesticks yarn that I got in one of the other boxes that I actually made into a jumper for my mum, it was a little bit scratchy. This is super, super soft. I do like Fiddlesticks. And I like the name too. So this month there's just 2 balls of wool, but they are 100 gram balls, not 50 gram balls. So that's not too stingy. And a cup of tea. Let's see what the tea is. Mango and strawberry. I'm allergic to mango. And a couple of Mentos. But don't worry, there's the third Mentos. 3 Mentos. And a little card with a pretty little heart sticker, or a little bag, sorry. It looked like an envelope, but it's a little bag with a bit of washi tape on the back. The washi tape's really pretty. It's got Australian native flowers and leaves on it, which I think looks really nice. Let's see what's inside. Couple of sort of postcard style cards. One says, "I'd rather be crocheting," which is definitely true. And one has their little slogan, "Make something beautiful every day." And also 2 envelopes. So I guess that's so I could send postcards about crochet to all of my friends. But sadly, I've only got 1 and I've got 2 postcards. Well, that was nice. It's a nice little box. I did also get a discount voucher, which I won't show you because you can't have my discount voucher. Yeah, so that was the last box under the old setup, and it's quite nice. One of the things I am really thinking about these Crate Crochet boxes is that they are aimed at beginners. So I'm interested to see whether the next box under the new system is similarly beginner focused, because I think that's a really good thing. Beginners do need this sort of service where they get the pattern and the yarn all in one box together. And it does sound like there is a video for some of the steps in this one, and there are some photos. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for a box, I would have recommended the Crate Crochet boxes, but as I said, they've moved to a new system. So wait for my next video where I'll open the new box with you and you can have a look at that one. And I am going to enjoy playing with this yarn. It's 14 ply, which is pretty heavyweight yarn, but this actually came out during winter, and because it took me a couple of months to open it, it's spring now, so it's not super cold. Lovely yarn. I'll see you guys next time. If you've enjoyed this video, do click the like button. And if you're as crazy about crochet as I am, subscribe to Wheelie Made It. It's free. If you're in the mood to watch me open more boxes and get all excited when there's always crochet loot inside, you might like to check out the playlist on the left. Or YouTube predicts you'll enjoy the video I've put up on the right.